When buying a car, it is helpful to know the difference between all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. Both help your car drive better on slippery or rough roads, but they work in different ways. Knowing how each system works can help you pick the right vehicle for your environment and lifestyle. Four-wheel drive is usually found in trucks and off-road vehicles. In a traditional four-wheel drive system, during normal driving, only the rear wheels are working. The front wheels are free and do not get power. When you need more traction, like on rough roads, the driver can turn on four-wheel drive by using a lever or switch. Once engaged, the transfer case splits engine power evenly, 50% to the front wheels and 50% to the rear wheels. But you should not use four-wheel drive on dry roads, because it can damage the system. The driver has to know when to turn it on or off. All-wheel drive works differently. It is on all the time, or it turns on automatically when needed. Power goes to all four wheels, and the system can change how much power goes to the front or back depending on the road. This helps give the car better grip and control, especially on wet, snowy, or slippery roads. You do not need to turn it on or off, it works by itself. All-wheel drive is great for everyday driving. If you live in an area with snow, mud, or roads that often get blocked by small landslides, then an all-wheel drive vehicle is a good choice. It gives you better grip and control automatically, without you needing to turn anything on or off. But if you are driving on very rough roads with deep sand, mud, dirt, rocks, bumps, and holes, then a four-wheel drive system is better. Four-wheel drive gives stronger power and control for off-road conditions. All-wheel drive systems usually have better fuel efficiency than traditional four-wheel drive systems. This is because all-wheel drive systems are lighter, and they only send extra power to the wheels that need more grip. In contrast, four-wheel drive systems are heavier and use more fuel, especially when driving in four-wheel drive mode. So, if you need better traction for everyday driving in bad weather, all-wheel drive is easier to use and uses less fuel. All-wheel drive systems have more parts and electronics, so it is harder and more expensive to repair. Four-wheel drive systems are simpler and usually cheaper to fix. In conclusion, all-wheel drive is good for everyday driving in rain, snow, or light mud, and it works automatically. Four-wheel drive is better for very rough roads like sand, rocks, or deep mud. Knowing the difference can help you choose the best car for your needs.